All right, what's up, everyone? Let's go over the next part here. We're doing Module 1, Assignment 3, right? So number 1, what are complementary angles? That's just a definition word. Complementary angles. Complementary angles are two angles that equal 90 degrees. So 90, that'd be letter B. So letter B is the answer, right? That's just a definition. Number 2, another definition. Number 2 says, what are supplementary angles? Supplementary angles are angles that equal 180. So that'd be letter A. Okay. Now, real quick, in number 3, this is choose the best name to classify angle 8 and 9. I'll get into that right now, but we went over the other video. As soon as you see the little box, that box means 90, all right? So just remember that. Okay, so anyways, so 8 and 9. So 8. No. This is 8. So that one's 8. And then now 9 is the other line that goes here. And then it shares this line here. Right? So both of those are 8 and 9 together. Now, if they share a line, in other words, like, you know how in my picture, the green and the red touch right here? If they touch right there, that means they are called adjacent angles. Okay? Complementary equals 90. These do not equal 90. And linear pair means they equal 180. They make a line. In case you see that again later, right? So here's number 4. It says find x. You're like, it's right here. Done. That's so funny. Anyways, so remember the box. The box means 90. So it means that both of these angles have to equal 90. Well, so then I already have 53. So then 90 minus 53. That'd be 7, 37. And the reason I'm able to do that is because of the, what do you call it? The little box. The little box there means for me to do, it has to be 90 when you add them together. Now number 5. Number 5, it says find x, right? And since what we have here, if you think about it, is we have a straight line. All of this is one straight line, right? You're like, so I have a line going up. I know, but we got a straight line here. That means if you add all of this together, you get the whole line. And a whole line is 180. What does that mean? That means if you do 9x plus the 3x, you get 180 degrees. Because it gives you, the 9x is just this green part right here. And then you add the 3x, which is the orange part or red part. But if you add them all together, you get the whole line. And the whole line is 180 degrees. Well, 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 12. So 12x equals 180. Then we divide by 12. And 180 divided by 12 will give us our answer here. I think it's that, but let me make sure. Yeah, 15. Number 6, 7 definitions. What does the word bisect mean? Well, the word bisect means that you're going to cut in half. It's something that cuts either a line or an angle, something exactly in half. And when you cut something in half, you make 2 equal pieces, right? And there you go. That's letter B is the definition there. Number 7 says bisect. Number 7 wants to know, what does the midpoint do? Well, it's just like a bisect. You're going to make something in the middle, except you're not going to cut it in half. A midpoint is, it's the middle point. It's the point that's in the middle. No, that one. It cuts in half. It makes 2 equal pieces again. That's exactly what it does. Oh, and that's all 7 already. That's all I need to do. The rest are yours to do if you want to get a high grade. No, not that. 0.